Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one tool. It's called Mokker that will enable you to create high resolution mock-up displays for your product with the different backgrounds. You can use artificial intelligence to create professional product photos instantly from a single product image. So you can get 20 free photos using this for free. So you upload an image, then you can replace the background of it with various backgrounds, and you can generate high resolution mockups. You can also place this in various settings. You can resize it, as you can see. So I hope the information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.